KN-2000W default set is DC for to 20 mA for input and 0 to 100% for display. KN-2000W gets DC for to 20 mA, then displays a 100% value. KN-2000W displays HHHH. After turning off the power, measuring 1 end to pin 51 ohm is normal. This is how to set the RTD input type. Move selection switch to RTD/TC. It displays error 1. Push the mode key for 3 seconds to go to parameter and press the left key. Change to DPT.1 and press the mode key for 3 seconds. And press the mode key for 3 seconds. Burn means sensor is disconnected. Wiring a sensor then displays temperature.